In this video, I'm sharing my full experience with the Dr. Goran Jezic Hair Transplant Clinic. From the moment I landed on their website, I noticed how streamlined the layout is, very easy to navigate, with clear sections outlining the services they provide, mainly focusing on FUE hair transplants and other alopecia-related treatments. What stood out to me right away was the level of detail in the information. You get to see before and after photos, breakdowns of the procedure steps, and even explanations about post-operative care, which many clinics don't offer so transparently. Booking a consultation is straightforward. There's an online form, and they respond pretty quickly. During the consultation, I was impressed by how thorough the team was in diagnosing my hair loss pattern and suggesting a personalized approach. They didn't try to upsell or overpromise. Instead, I got realistic expectations about what could be achieved based on my condition, which is mostly early-stage male pattern baldness. The clinic itself, located in Zagreb, is clean and modern. Everything feels professional, from the staff to the equipment used. The surgeon, Dr. Goran Jezic, has a calm and informative presence, which helps ease any pre-surgery nerves. What I appreciated most was how they balanced the medical aspect with an artistic approach to restoring a natural-looking hairline. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The procedure was relatively painless, thanks to local anesthesia. It took a few hours, but the team made sure I was comfortable the whole time. Aftercare instructions were very clear. They provided written guides and follow-up support via email and even WhatsApp, which is a big plus if you're traveling from abroad. Within a few weeks, I started seeing the shedding phase, which is completely normal, and around the 3-month mark, I noticed fine new hairs coming in. Now, several months later, my hairline looks fuller, and I feel much more confident. One downside I noticed is that their pricing isn't as transparent online as some might like. You'll have to go through the consultation to get exact costs, which can vary depending on the extent of your procedure. Also, while English is spoken at the clinic, some of the documentation and initial forms are in Croatian, so you might need to clarify a few things upfront. Overall, my experience with Dr. Goran Jezic Hair Transplant was very positive. They deliver what they promise, and the results speak for themselves. If you're considering a hair transplant in Europe, especially for alopecia or male pattern baldness, this clinic deserves your attention. The personalized care, attention to detail, and strong post-op support make them stand out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to review other clinics.